Spring is fast approaching, and that means it's time to get your garden ready for the upcoming season. Whether you're an experienced gardener or a beginner, choosing the right crops and prepping your soil properly will set you up for success in 2025. Today, we'll cover the top 7 crops you should plant this spring, along with tips on starting seeds, preparing your soil, and using organic fertilizers to ensure a thriving garden. 1. Tomatoes. Start your tomato seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before your last frost date. Tomatoes love warm, compost-rich soil and need full sun to thrive. Transplant seedlings outdoors once the soil has warmed up and water consistently to encourage healthy growth. Vertical support like cages can help conserve space. 2. Peppers. Peppers thrive in warm temperatures, so start seeds indoors early. Once nighttime temperatures stay above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, transplant your peppers into the garden. Space them at least 18 inches apart and water regularly. Peppers prefer full sun and will benefit from periodic feeding with organic fertilizer. 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers grow quickly, making them an ideal crop for spring. Directly sow seeds once the soil temperature reaches 60 degrees Fahrenheit. They prefer well-drained, composted soil and plenty of water. Cucumbers can also be grown vertically, saving space and making harvesting easier. 4. Lettuce. Lettuce is a great choice for early spring planting. Sow seeds directly in the soil as soon as it's workable. Lettuce prefers cooler weather, so it's perfect for early spring or fall. For continuous harvests, sow seeds every 2 to 3 weeks. Ensure consistent moisture and partial shade as temperatures rise. 5. Carrots. Direct sow carrot seeds in loose, well-drained soil. Thin them out as they grow to avoid overcrowding. Carrots prefer a pH level between 6.0 to 7.0, so make sure to amend your soil if necessary. These slow growers are worth the wait, and they thrive in raised beds. 6. Snap peas. Snap peas are perfect for early spring and grow well in cool temperatures. Direct sow them as soon as the soil is workable. Provide a trellis for the peas to climb. They're great for nitrogen fixing, improving the soil for other crops, and they're quick to harvest. 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is a low-maintenance, high-yielding crop. Direct sow seeds in late spring and give the plants plenty of space, about 2 to 3 feet apart. Zucchini thrives in rich, well-drained soil and appreciates regular watering. It grows quickly and you'll have a bountiful harvest in no time. Seed starting. Starting seeds indoors gives you a jump start on the growing season. Use a high-quality seed starting mix and keep seedlings in a warm spot with plenty of light. Once seedlings are strong enough, harden them off by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions before transplanting. Soil preparation. Before planting, test your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Most vegetables thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, pH 6.0 to 7.0. Improve your soil by adding compost, aged manure, or other organic matter. If your soil is compacted, loosen it with a garden fork or tiller to allow for better root development. Organic fertilizers. For healthy plants, opt for organic fertilizers. Here are some great options. Compost and aged manure. Improve soil structure and provide a slow release of nutrients. Bone meal and blood meal. Great for root development and leafy growth. Fish emulsion and seaweed extract. Provide a quick nutrient boost, especially for young plants. These natural fertilizers will keep your plants healthy and your soil thriving for years to come. And that's it for today's tips on spring planting prep. By choosing the right crops, starting seeds indoors, and preparing your soil with organic fertilizers, you'll be on your way to a thriving garden in 2025. What are you planting this spring? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time